Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kublai pi baro ki baju kershan bat pet ya ke channel jong unong san Hima mangai Christensen ngora shapi ya kani ke jing ya kran ba ibe ikong ibade inong Thoh kon wada ke juk kopor ibala le shibun ki kam ke jing em ke jong i tikong pila banya tu kanyat iki nong pet jong kani ke channel ya ke kerteng ke jong pi bat ya ki kam ki ba pila le
Kublai ya fi baro na nong san Hima kublai ya ki audience ki bepet ya kani ke channel ngada sngongo shisha bepio wa bepio sngo ke story jonga ngade kong artilin ro thangkheu ngade entrepreneur mentala 18 years ngalong ke entrepreneur ngapen ni Sdang ya ke ETPL ke skill development training center ha ke year 2005 shwaban Sdang ke National Skill Development Center ru gila wanra state ya ke semantic training ban penlong ya ki skill training si kena bikin yo kam Ngi also ngi don ke Country Spices www.countryspices.com kenia ngi penyan ngi trei bet bat ki farmers ha usnem ar hajar khatn rio so kata kadi you ngadai na corporate world nga trei shwa bat ko corporate office ha po Bombay Delhi khatsan snem then nga yo iba ngala ban le ki bun ki kam shishnong lejong ngawan pain no but nga Sdang ke kam nga snow baka shalong gade ka land of opportunities the fi smart fisting
Kublai shibun kong te pi ong yang ba pila Sdang na do arhajar san mo ya kani ka kam bat pi ong ru ba pila ai kam ai jam mi ki khana samla hatu kani ka jing ai kam ai jam kade ki khana samla ki bahak po ka jela jongi ne ki basha baru kum jo
ngawan de ka focus ban wan ai ya ka state ya ki khana le jong ya ka state le jong so in 2005 ka IT kampat dakio bha ka information technology that's when ngi wanra ikni ka semantic training ngi shna kani ka training course and ngi I kam ngi I training ki beradab engineering bupli ki bamyo kam ki graduates ki class 12 and ya ki khna le jong so ngi la pen thep shibun de ki adab ki training ngi le we were the first ones support state man le the job fair ka year 2007 ngi le ka job fair ka cover ka you so ngi I come hi ngi focus hi ya ka state le jong ngi le bon hi ya ka state le jong ki khana le jong
kong ha ka bay day bat kani ka jing Thoh kot ka jong pi ha ka kam Thoh kot ka jong pi pila Sdang Thoh kot na du man shwa ni
kani ka jing Thoh kot nga Sdang por banga yo cancer so ngade a cancer survivor and nga sa shi Delhi ngale ka treatment ha Delhi tapo CK Birla so por ba ngadon marway hayeng tang bat u fur baby jonga upo so ngadon marway hayeng dan nga shu Thoh ikini gi feelings ki bangalaman share what one goes through te kat ngadang Thoh to kamdei like ngamdei ba Thoh kot but then nga Thoh nga Sdang Thoh and the Sdang Thoh fimdon menum no ban kren so ban kren phone than ru than so ka poi ka writing into let out became like my let out
pila banya thu e ki pa nyong kershan jong ka channel nong san Hima ya ka ka kot ka ba pila Thoh
nga Thoh ni ka kot ping of hope and love so kani ka kot nga Thoh nga khlamut ban publish ni ka kot hendrei habang ki pulie ki khlamdon hayeng batip nga Thoh kot mdon batip ikun khlam tip lok khlam nam batip then por nga ai pulia koi parlok ong ni article ni kan help bhai borok hat and nga sngot not shisha because umdei tang ki bapang cancer kani ka kot kaya ram but ki bun ki khna ki ba message nga ki families ki all over India and all from out but this has motivated us. It's not just related to cancer but it's in any hardship you face can kumnu ban fight through it and kumnu ngi sung Thoh ba ngimla ban shut off na ki family and friends who are there to really help you and how to keep negativity away ring like if family and friends are there to help you open up yourself
te kong ha ka bay day ba kani ka kot hatu pi sham jing e por ba pi Thoh e kani pi don ki jing e ba pi ya kan du ma ha ka por ba pi Thoh e kani ka
ka nga try nga shupo if you read a few lines from there nga shupo my heart into it so
don jing e
am klem don jing kasuang it's such a true feeling that ka able fi poi hapot man sim shoot Thoh. It's like you just spilt out more ka able fi snow. So ngam kasuan ka flow. And it's not that bang Thoh every day. You don't give moments but fi feel low, fi feel high, or you're happy or you're sad ken. So those are the moments bang Thoh. So it wasn't difficult.
Ti kong kandiat chapang gajing shitom bampong. Haga ketian kasing ong bampong, haga ketian nong wengi ong ka cancer. Ti haga baya day bakani kong. Pila banyo tu kandiat menu pi yo jing tip chapang kani ka jing shitom.
Mentah ngala this April ngandap si snem ngala long cancer free and nadu ubnai perbelong COVID, the peak of COVID. I was diagnosed with breast cancer kan. Tang ba dan bok balap bade the first stage tu kala the shutom tan. Tang ba hoy jing sumar cancer kamde ke besok, each person ki go through the different journey ngimla ban compare anybody. You know, kidon ki survive, kidon ki cure, kidon everybody can. They hot berkadai ke COVID, so ngayo with COVID plus pneumonia plus nga fracture ki kidat banga or. Hendrai ngaklem sya ikani bakan bring me down. They haka por mga second chemo ngayo yaka All India Women Entrepreneur Award naka Delhi Management Association related to country spices. And then ngayo asakawe ka award ru but related to yakanika women entrepreneur. And shulong ngamtip, but then we also tied up with CSC Grameen Easto. We were the only company, country spices can, but tie up. So ngamtip, like during my cancer, I was working completely, even during my chemos, my radiation, my targets. And hoat nga ong ifi mday tang mga rika whole team ka ba stand by me kan. You know, so my whole team was there with me. So ataray fin hap long pen ka jingmut hap long positive. Keep negativity away. Kibrio kibakran negative if you what the encourage tan bikin one, you know. And the fi long positive, fi bambaha and fi penhun, you know, because ki donde brok hat beshutam po jingim. Tingi hap fight kan mentally kan, you hap long strong and eat well bambaha.
Ti kong ki jing ki ba pia kendu ha kapor hap deng jong kani ka jing sumar ka jong pi mo ka jing banwat igi dawai ni ki jaka sumar
hot because bakadi ka COVID ka peak COVID nga sumar hapo gurgaon again hapo gurgaon tingi let shwa medenta and bade ka COVID it was packed kum ka fish market bon ong badi sumar tu tik pen tip don jakahi ki diagnose ki maki and ki diagnose maki ni klem de ihun because class long too crowded with COVID patients to kapor don ba refer yung ni ka CK Birla and itai di hospital berit ki dong very good with cancer treatments singi poi no apo CK Birla dan bok pada marsin poi hang tu ki Sdang ka treatment hoi ka treatment jonga ka kamlong a little more lengthy ka di hado shi snem kamde mkiwe hinro banai because ki done different types of cancers. Shemjing means during chemo, the first chemo banga don mga because nga long very sensitive person to medicines, to this creams and all very sensitive. So yes, the first chemo nga yo a very bad allergy. Kila ikendit ki doctor kan. So that's why hadin kata kila not the trial test shwa banai every medicine nga. So nga taray ni hap test. I mean, I feel that every patient today should either way hap test the day kum kikanja you gan chemo ski. So radiation time hoan a shebjing because tip nga le klan nga kanjat nga le kai nga kanjat bol. Tingat sentut peding. Mo yen taka fracture no bat kti bat kejat. Ti hap plaster. Nga hap le radiation bade. Nga hap lain long pep ke radiation hap pedeng. You iyo slam ke treatment. So nga lain nga syang the wheelchair. Di kita ki jing hon nga syem. Kabam ke di bade nga bam lut. Tang bang nga kiar nga still long careful. Tas bade kasi tas mat iki serwa. Mo mlong bam spices tingi ngisuk ke bam serwa ni seri dakar ro. Tinga bam serwa.
kong mentah pila ban Thoh kat no ka jinglong kerpang ka jing kershan na ying nasam hakapor wa pidon hapeng ka jing stom.
Ani, I mean, hanong kumno. My husband was there, daughters, sisters, brothers, ki aunties, ki uncles, berokhod, ki mention rang hayeng ki one wood hapor COVID tang sulat ki one mare wood berokhod. Then ish para ipa jungi ubedon sport Amerika ki one mare ki one lut. So mdei tang hayeng hasem rei ki perlok chongaru. Ki ba dia pulilang na do por hostel ki one fly lut ban one pet nyanga. Tambah ka jing ka di bakalong ko COVID. So kidon ki bawan kim yo rung because mag chemo kalong very careful. Te ka don ken ka jing mo bupli bukiawan tambah dangla adep de ka treatment chemo ki wan hair biang hi ki wan pet. Hayeng te 100% support. Na do my in-law side, ki husband side, my brothers, mom's side, everybody ki cousins. I mean, the fiyo am to ka support ko mga I think the book fin the pulie kan sa Thoh lut kan Jingpang ka support ka family support mga yo tang ba uba support bahaya ngati udi for baby jonga upo because ngia sahi na do November hapo Delhi hapo Gurgaon mga ukso jonga but inong yara mar husband la hablit no si Bombay ani ko ni pulie puna so nga sahi so perbatok ka kot bodon company yang ada di tang pu. So I think pets are very good. When you suffer, when anything, they're a big ki boost by fee mentally ru physically. So I think ngi hap love ki pets.
Mentah ba pila asyan piong mentah la jondon chisnam ti kei kata ka jingkta ka ba pi pet ha ka rukom im.
Yeah, treatment 1 year. Sometimes I feel that during treatment nga kam song klan, but the after treatment effect kadon. Fi Sdang, ki bones, ki aches, ki pains, ki don bed. And then obviously because mga don on medicines also, so ka weight also is one issue. And fi don hi bed because it's ki doctors chathi kila ong ba give yourself 1 year and a half 2 years to kind of recover 100% what push because I'm a workaholic so ki what push than ken yela dia because her por chemo lele ki I dawa yo athya so that I don't work because ngadon online and bon ki we patients ki long kumju okay there's some kind of a strength that gives us to to work or to do something or maybe to divert our minds ngam tip okay tik hot ki don ki jingkha ki aches ki pains gi hap long careful with our diet ngim still la bam klumar because ka kpo ka long very sensitive because ki medicines la pump into your body ki la affect load so hot ka recovery stage initially I was upset because I thought that I've recovered, I'm going to be like marching up and down, but no, it doesn't help. So it will take a year plus, so mentala 1 year. So I'm hoping that I can march up and down. It's impacted a lot. Before, very energetic. I could climb 3 floors, 4 floors. La ban le trekking, la ban le long active. And energy kala change completely. I mean, I think, the long frank enough, every cancer survivor, they'll tell you the energy has changed. It does touch tiredness. You can, even though how strong we try to be. That's why nga try ki ongba is the new you. At first I said, what do you mean the new you? Tamba hadian di ki ong new you. Means today I realize as a 1 year completes, I'm not the same anymore that I was, mangan kiulay mala asaw mala ngatan. And then I need my, my space, and relax, quietness. Kala pair ba ka impact kan? What if you recover and you're good and all that, feel exercise, na fi diet and ki yoga, ki meditation, you do everything. But you don't have the same energy anymore. No.
Ko boleh shibun kong di kaddu ko aban kili pi shapang kani ka kot jong pi mo. How to ha ka por ba pi publish ya kani ka kot ken pio jingerap ni jingerap la ni jingkershan na po kejela ana shawe hiru
Ti kani ka kot ru shu ngayo sponsor. Ki sponsor yang ngan di ban publish ni ka kot Kim Sha. Ude one of the industrialists Mr. Hima open I sponsor yang ni ka kot. Wong nga kwa fi befin publish ni ka kot. So that's how nga publish ni ka kot. Nga klemut publish. It was for my personal tang ba because of my friend Sabrina. Ka penyo yang ban publish u Mr. Hima ko mga ong day ude u industrialist na po Gujarat Pulie somebody went to his family I guess Pulie and ong ibadi ban publish and I will put in the money so it was like kind of forced on me that you should publish and I'm very happy that they did that because prohat kita Thoh kita ka feedback pang ka kot has been really nice ken ngalong yo yarap lang ye berokhat and it's so nice hapo Sikkim mri hapo Meghalaya hapo Sikkim kibu ka Sikkim State Library ka kot jonga kibu ka kot because ki puli and they liked it so much to ka Sikkim State Central Library ka bu ka kot di ka college kum ka SVIMS hapo Bombay ka kwa ki students ban puli ki thiet ni ka kot kibu po library so kidon bala Mungkin kini educational thing po Shillong badeng ngampat da ngaklempat bu hey ngadang shuan ru mentai January and March sheni because of the treatment ngaklem yo one so maybe now with Nong San Hima people will be more aware about the book and I'm sure if I can help anybody today I'll be happy to do it I can handhold them ngalong happy ban syukran ngalong open ba ban support ban kren kamday ba kwa ban ong ban ban numday I'm a cancer survivor and I'm willing to help everybody in the state
te kong khado khatwai pidan jingkran ban ai ki kentien ai men sim ye ki nong pen ni ki ba shitam ni ki bathmu ban Thoh ye ki kot ma
yang and you keep a pli ki beshutam ki don different ki se film la ban ong bro khat long positive or something taba what num do jinkermen follow ka ki ong ki doctor and follow ka diet and penlong mentally strong I try to feel long mentally strong half the battle is won for anything whether it's for the youths through for the ki survivors of any sickness not just cancer it's any sickness kum stroke ki physiotherapy you keep doing it so much then ki gem so I think mental strength chulong positive and yes ngi hab realize ka body jungi kamlong the same so let's not push it and ki youths in the state there's a lot of opportunities here the fear smart fear sting ka biang lot
te tangkat tu parlong ila poi sya ka bakun ngatrai ka e bai ikong artilan thank you ila kren kan ai men siam ya phi kan ai jingkermen ru shi ka dei e ti bat phinlap ya kani ka kot jingtho ka jong ikong kani ka ba ai kerteng pink of hope and love bat kum ju ru phinyo ya ka te ka kot hapo na po Amazon na Flipkart but na Zania Fashion House kabadan ha Glorious Plaza nang tadi yakini ki spices ma kadon gadukan hapo Umroy Airport
kani ki country spices kadon ko website www.countryspices.com kadon hapo amazon.in/countryspices Northeast Store kabadai online and also ngibu almost in 15 local stores all over Shillong Regata, Meat Treat, Pick and Save, Jolly Belly, all over.
Kublay shibun kong atilan thank you ya kapor wa pila ay ngi but nganget scam but pidang yai Thoh shibun tli kon but ngakermen ba ngaru ngan sa thiet ya kani kon hagini kisngi but ngan sa puli but ngan sa ay ka feedback ru shapi
Kublay shibun nung don tam thiet mangal abu lupa ban I gift to fee bilang petty lines ni kublay shibun Nong San Hima and I'm happy bangala ban share ya ka journey jonga because kani kamdi ka Jingpang ka ba bangi hap buri or something, ngila ban yarap lem yikiway, yakiway besutom, kibam song Thoh, kumno ban let through, mga as a person ngalong willing, ban let kren, ban help, yanu bakwa, ban yarap. Hublay sibot.